Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a gorgeous day in Florida and I figured why not get off my butt and finally put up my Christmas tree. I know I'm a little late. A lot of the ornaments that I have are actually from the Dollar Tree. You'll be quite shocked. The theme of my tree is actually winter wonderland. So yeah, it's not winter here in Florida, but I definitely love the winter wonderland vibe when it comes to my tree. And I do the exact same theme, exact same ornaments every single year. And every single year, it never gets old. I love it. Only thing is that it takes time because I like to add layers. I like to make sure it's nice and full. I like everything to look perfect. And honestly, there's nothing minimalistic about my tree other than the fact that I have sustainable items that I put on my tree, and it's the same tree and same ornaments that I use every single year. If you want to do this with me, stay tuned. Christmas tree out storage. My husband got that out yesterday, and we got all of our ornaments out of storage. This is how we neatly pack our Christmas tree and our ornaments every single year. And I got this tree actually from Walmart for $99. And it's a 7.5 foot Sanford tree. I love this tree. It's slim, it's skinny, tall, and beautiful and perfect for our small condo. So yeah, we're gonna open that up. And over here, we put our stuff in a container. And all of our ornaments, everything we use every year is all in there. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put this dolly away and we can get started. This is the wall we're working with. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm starting with the base and then I'm gonna fluff that out and then I'm going to put in the center, then put in the top piece. Guys, I really love this tree. It's definitely a sustainable option if you're into saving money and making sure that, you know, you're saving the trees out there instead of having so many cut down. And I know that's a big debate for a lot of people, but I don't see it to be necessary when you can have the same tree that you love every single year. And not only that, you'll be saving a lot of money. I bought this tree for $100, guys, $100. And it doesn't take up too much space. It's great for small spaces and you can use it in big spaces as well. The only downside by having a faux tree would be that you don't get the smell of the pine. But other than that, it's definitely worth it. And saving trees, reusing the same ornament, which, guys, like I said in the beginning, is from Dollar Tree. Absolutely beautiful. I couldn't believe it a few years ago when I saw how many beautiful ornaments Dollar Tree has. Tip that you guys can use is if you don't buy gifts or you don't really have big gifts to put under your tree, you can still have the effect of gifts under your tree by just simply using empty boxes and wrapping them. These boxes have been wrapped for the past couple of years. It's the exact same boxes. Be sure to stay to the end, guys, so I can show you all of my favorite Dollar Tree ornaments. Guys, you'll be shocked. Finally done. It is now 9 p.m. I started since 12 o'clock. And as you can see, I have my fake presents here. These boxes here are wrapped as if they're gifts, but they're not. They're actually empty boxes. I recycle them every single year, the exact same boxes, the exact same bows. So even though you see the tag on there, no worries. I just move it around and just throw it in there. I got the leftover ornaments. I always put in a little glass to keep it in there. And I do the same thing on this side with the bows on there. And yeah, as you can see, I have probably 90% of the ornaments. Well, you know what? Let me say 80% of the ornaments that's on this tree are from the Dollar Tree. And I've had them for years. So this is what I call my winter wonderland Christmas tree look. I got a lot of sentimental ornaments in here that were given to me as gifts, or, you know, that I've picked up along the way. Like these right here, these are ornaments that my mother-in-law gave me. Thank you. And she made this for us from scratch. She picked up seashells and real sand and seashells from the beach and made this ornament for us on our first year anniversary. And this one too. Look, she even added like a little bow. It's so pretty. I love that. And then we got ornaments such as this one right here that I really love. My godson made this artwork at school, and you are allowed to be able to print them out in different stuff like cups and stuff, and I chose to put it on this keychain. But I actually bought it as a keychain, but I make use of it as an ornament. Every year I put it on there. It's so cute. Thank you, Papa. So yeah, this is from the Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. All of these, this Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. So a lot of Dollar Tree items. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, you'd be surprised. And the garland is actually from Joanne Fabrics. So yeah, guys. And then in this little corner right here where I have the bench with the pillows, I always put a little mini tree and some reindeers here. Isn't it cute? How cute. I don't know why on camera this shows up like it's a greenish bluish color, but it's actually a frosted all silver tree with a wooden base, and the lights, the twinkle lights are actually white, but I don't know why it shows up on camera like that color. Clearly, this is not a minimalistic inspired tree. And I'm not trying to make it minimalistic either. This is exactly how I love it. Like I say in some of my DIY / makeover videos, I love minimalism, but I do have some areas in my house that I label as isolated clutter. And this is what I call isolated clutter, where I have clutter isolated to one place, and I love it. So you'll find a few places in my house where in one little spot, I like layers. And there's nothing more beautiful than a layered tree. Unless it's a real tree, then I think simplicity is nice on a real tree as well. You can't go wrong with a real tree. But you can't go wrong with a fake tree as well that looks as beautiful as my tree, and no one can't tell me anything. This tree is everything. It's slim, it fits perfectly in between our gallery wall. The colors are simple, they're gentle on the eyes, and every year, everyone that comes to our house is wowed. Every time my family members come over, they're wowed by it. And I never get tired of looking at it. And it's been almost 3 years now since we've had this tree. And I love it. If you guys love it, leave your comments down below. If you don't love it, well, I don't know what to tell you, because it's not going anywhere. This is the look. It never gets old, guys. And although it's not a minimalistic tree, it is very minimal for me because I've had the same tree and the same ornaments for the past couple of years. I do not change them every year, so I'm not wasting stuff. It's more of a sustainable tree, I would call that. Sustainable Christmas decorations. And yeah. Who says that minimalism, you have to go with the bare minimum when it comes to Christmas? I'm sorry, I'm not one of those people. I love minimalism, but this is where I draw the line. All right, guys. See you on my next video.